everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MissBeeline, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing this sulfate free shampoo by Creme of Nature. So if you're interested, then please keep watching. Shampoo. Again, it is the Creme of Nature with argan oil from Morocco, sulfate free, moisture and shine shampoo which hydrates and detangles. Is that long enough for you? Just want to give you a close up of the label. You get 12 ounces. This particular bottle I got maybe 3 or 4 days ago, and I paid $5.49 for it from Walgreens. Here are the ingredients. Feel free to stop and pause, rewind so that you can really dissect this list if you want to. Okay, so as you can see, though it is sulfate free, it is definitely not an all natural shampoo. It's like a goldish color. It's not very loose, but it's not thick either. You see that? It's not real runny, but it has a bit of a little bit of a richness to it. Has a nice, pleasant, if you're familiar with Creme of Nature, it seems like they have a consistent fragrance in almost all their products. So if you're familiar with Creme of Nature, their shampoos and conditioners and stuff, it has that Creme of Nature smell, like a light soap or something like that. So it has been more than 3 years, over 4 years that I've been using this shampoo. And one thing I have to say is that you do not need a lot. This should last you forever and a day. A size like this should last you forever, especially if you co-wash in between shampoos. But even if you shampooed every wash day, this should last you for so long because you don't need a lot. And it's so funny, it doesn't matter how dirty my hair is, I still don't need a lot of it. When you say it on your label that you hydrate and detangle, I'm looking for your product to hydrate and detangle, and I have to say it's not over, they're not overstating themselves. All I ever have to do is wet my hair, get it soaking wet under the water, get it nice and soaking wet, put some of this on my hair and just start working it through. Tangles just start disappearing like this. It gives a nice thorough cleanse. Now as far as Shea Moisture goes, I don't have any complaints about it. It didn't take my hair out, it doesn't dry it out, and it doesn't have an overbearing smell to it. Nothing like that. It does what it says that it's going to do. It gives me a nice thorough cleanse. You don't need a lot of it. Have no complaints with this at all. So let me make that very clear. However, when I compare the two, honestly, I have to go with the Creme of Nature. Number one, because of the price. The price is almost half. Like I said, $5.49 versus $9.99. The second thing is, I have to say that the Creme of Nature does make my hair a lot softer upon application, and I am able to detangle with it. I'm not able to detangle my hair with the Shea Moisture. Now, to their defense, they don't claim that you should be able to detangle with their shampoo. So you can't throw rocks at it. You can't take away points if they didn't tell you that you should be able to do it. So I'm not taking away any points. It's just a fact that I am able to detangle with this every single time, and it has stood the test of time because whether my hair is stretched when I began to shampoo, whether it's a little bit matted, whether it's very shrunken. I can even break down a week's wash and go using this Creme of Nature shampoo, and it works every single time. So if you have any additional questions or comments, perhaps I left something out of this review, then please leave all of that in the comment section below, and I'll get back with you as soon as I possibly can. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please join me for the next one. And this is a 12, and this is a 12, and this is 12 fluid ounces. I don't know what that is. Sorry. So yeah, if you have any questions or I feel like I need to start over. Yeah, let's go ahead and start over. Here we go.